Back to the breaking news on Bank of America. The bank telling its investment bankers their compensation packages may be cut by 25%. Senior markets correspondent Julie Hyman with us now with more. Julie.
Well, Deirdre, really Bank of America is just the latest to come out and tell its folks that they're not going to be making as much this year. This has been really sweeping the street as many of the various banks had poor fourth quarters, or poorer fourth quarters, at least on a relative basis, particularly when you look at the investment banking business. So indeed, according to people who are familiar with what Bank of America is doing, the compensation packages are going to be 25% smaller on average for its investment bankers. Apparently, executives gave the guidance to the bankers earlier this month ahead of formal 2011 pay discussions that are scheduled for this week. So sort of prepping them, bracing them, if you will, for this news that was coming out. The compensation cut, by the way, this is notable, includes salary and bonus. We've been talking a lot about bonus cuts, but this also includes the whole kit and caboodle, the whole package, salary and bonus. And again, just to emphasize here, this is something that's been happening broadly on the street. Bank of America specifically, we told you yesterday that the bank was targeting another $3 billion in cost cuts in addition to the $5 to $6 billion it already had been targeting, and already has announced about 30,000 people that are going to be laid off from the company, or that is going to be the target number. So Bank of America, even more than some of the other banks on the street, has embarked on some pretty dramatic cutting, whether it's actual jobs or cutting back on these numbers and these salaries and bonuses. Deirdre.
Julie, thanks so much for the extra details, the context. Our senior markets correspondent there, Julie Hyman, talking about that reported comp cut at Bank of America.